Alright, so we're going to go ahead and work on our last problem on the worksheet, question number 10. It says the patient's temperature is 99.6 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the temperatures in degrees Celsius? So kind of an easy one, but it's also an easy one to mess up because people forget the equation or they forget how to round for temperatures and things like that, and they, easily lose points that way. So the rules when it comes to temperatures is you round to the 100th, believe it or not. I don't remember how I learned that. I don't even know if it's on my little cheat sheet thing here, but I do remember we had a question recently. It wasn't in first semester, but it was like, like brought it up again because they sometimes they like to throw the easy ones at you just to see if you were remembering or paying attention. But we had a question and it was like, whatever, and the answer was like 99.867, whatever. And for some reason everyone put like 99.8 and I did 99.87 because the 8, 6, and the 7 turned the 6 into a 7. And believe it or not, like I had it right. I don't know why. I was like, no, you're supposed to round to the hundredths in temperature. Even though no temperature like gives you the hundredths, like, if you take someone's temperature, it's not going to give you that. For some reason, you're supposed to round to the hundredths for it. Swear to goodness. If I'm wrong, you can hate me and blame me for the rest of your life, and I will full-heartedly take responsibility and credit for that, and I will always be sorry for that, but I'm almost positive. If I had my psych stuff with me, I'd pull out my worksheet and prove it to you, but I don't. But anyway, so let's look up our equation for this. The temperature is 99.6 degrees Fahrenheit, right? We want it in Celsius, okay? So the equation for Celsius is F minus 32 times 5 over 9. And yes, like before every single exam, I look at this equation and the Celsius equation, the Fahrenheit equation over and over and over again because I get it confused all the stinking time. I don't know why. It's like just one of those things where they're so similar that like I F it up every single time. So yeah. I like never have this memorized on the spot. Okay, so we're just going to plug things in. So this is going to be our 99.6, right? So 99.6 minus 32 equals, we'll just kind of do it like this, 67.6, right? We're going to multiply that by 5 over 9. So 67.6 times 5, that equals 338 over 9. So if we divide that by 9, it equals 37.555, and so on. So again, we're going to round, right? So it's going to be 37.56 degrees Celsius. So here in the answers, it only has it rounded to the 10th, but I swear, I'm telling you guys, it's actually supposed to be rounded to the 100th. Swear to goodness. It was verified by 2 instructors when we took our last math test, so I'm just saying. Alright, anyway, so that's number 10. I'm done with the worksheet. It is late. I gotta go to bed. I'm so sorry for you Monday folks, like, that you didn't really get to benefit from this very much, but refer to it if you need to. If you forget a question, you forget how to work something out, when you go to practice for next semester or whatever, feel free to come back and look at these videos. I do already have questions posted for second semester with the IV piggybacks and everything. It's a worksheet that Ms. Scudmore hands out to the students to practice for their math exam that they take in second semester, to kind of do on their own. I know in my class it caused a lot of confusion and stuff, and it did in the last semester class, because you guys just don't know how to do these yet. So I would definitely take a look at them, you know, while over break and stuff. I will go ahead in the next week or two and do all my TPN problems, so that way you guys can kind of, if you take the time to get this far in the videos, you'll know this. You guys can look ahead of time and learn how to do the TPN problems without the teachers even telling you. So when they're doing it, you'll be like, I already got this. Cake. All right. Y'all have a great night. Thank you very much. I hope to somebody this was somewhat helpful. All right. Thanks, guys.